During my lifetime, I have dedicated my life to this struggle. I have fought against white domination, and I have fought against black domination. I have cherished the idea of a democratic and free society in which all persons live together in harmony. It is an idea for which I hope to live for. If it needs be, it is an idea for which I am prepared to die.